I feel the same way about you.
Sean, do you want something to eat? Sean, do you want something to eat? Huh?
Do you, Sean?
What? Sean, what do you want to eat, honey? What do you want to eat? What are your sisters eating?
Cookies. My cookie.
Eva, let him have it. You can have a minty one, Eva. He won't even probably finish it all. Sean, don't you want to talk so we can hear what you got to say?
My cookie? Can you give the cookie to Ava? No! Give me. Where's my cookie? Come back here.
Come back here with that cookie. He's escaping. He's nervous.
I think they'll take it from me.
Wait, he's coming back.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Sean, what do you want to eat? Sean, can you give Annika a kiss? Sean, can you give Annika a kiss?
Okay, see you guys later.
No, wait.
Want to give her a kiss? Sean, give her a kissy. Can you give Annika a kissy?
Stingy.
Give her a kiss, Sean. Go on, give her a kiss. Give Annika a kiss.
Not on the camera. No, he says. Not on the camera.
That's the camera here. Can you give Annika a kiss?
He went,
Annika, tell him to say I love you, and then he
Sean,
went.
I love you. Oh, yeah. I'm a little baby. Cookie, my cookie. Cookie. Ah. A cookie. Monk. Cookies.
Okay, Annika, say, tell me I love you. Then you get a kiss.
Mama loves you. I love you.
Here, now he comes in for a kiss.
Sean, I love you. Okay, snag a kissy. Oh no. Guys, just let him up. Mom's gonna stop the video if you don't. He fell down. Sean, give me a kiss. Oh, Sean, I love you. Sean, I love you. Kitty, kitty, kissy. Sean, I love you. Oh.
Okay, see you guys later. He's being